Welcome to this section of this course. Today I will be speaking about domain and range of a functions. Now what is domain and range of a function? For example, a function, we have f of x equals to x plus 1. In this function, for all values of x, which we can do input. What is domain? Means input values of x. All input values of x here, that's called domain. Okay. And what is range? Range is all outcome over here. Let's say this is equals to y. Y equals to fx equals to x plus 1. So all outcome values. Now what is range? Range is all outcome values of x. But it should be valid number. It should not be, for example, it should not be infinity, minus infinity or infinity. So all, whether it is input values of x or outcome values of x, those values of x should be a valid, it should give a valid value. Let's take an example for this. Say, for example, let's make a table. Say x over here, say, and then say y equals to f of x over here. Now for all real value function, here for all real value of x, real value function. Now if I, for real number, I can choose any number over here. I can, if I choose 1 over here, or x equals to 1, then this is input value. Okay. And then if I substitute 1 over here, 1 plus 1 equals to what? Fx become 2. If I substitute minus 1 over here, minus 1 plus 1, then that is become a 0. If I substitute 2 over here, 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So therefore fx become what? 3. And let's take minus 2 also. Here minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. Okay. These are called what? This is domain, my domain. And these outcomes, okay, these are called my what? Range. Now let's draw these graphs and how it works. Let's draw these graphs and let's see what is it looks. See, for example, we have here x, O, x dash, here y, O, y dash. So x is from ranging from minus 2 to 1. So here I can say here 1, x is 1, 2, here minus 1, say minus 2, y is ranging from here 1, 2, 3, here, and then here minus 1, minus 2. Now for this point 1 comma 2 over here. Okay, x is going 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2 over here, this point. X is going 1 and y is 2. Now this point is what? 1 comma 2. And what about this one? Minus 1 comma 0. So this is minus 1 and then y is not going anywhere. This is point. And here 2 comma 3. Here 2 and then comma 3 over here. Okay. So this is what? 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 1. Here it goes minus 2 and goes here minus 1 over here. Here minus 2 comma minus 1. Now let's join this. Now this become a straight line. Okay. So there is no point over here. So for every, this is x line, right? For every x, for every values of x, you are getting its image or its output. For example, if I have, see, for example, 1.5 is over here. For values of 1.5, you will get its image. For example, if I substitute 1.5 over here, say over here 1.5 is over here. So what is this? If this you will get over here 2.5. So you are getting 2.5. So for every input of x, so you are getting its image, or you can say its output of x. Okay. Now therefore domain is what? Whole disk. Okay. Domain is, therefore this, in this case example A, therefore domain is what? All, domain equals to all real number, whether it is plus or minus, all real number. And what is domain? And what is range? Range also become what? All real number. Let's take another example.